Hello everyone, welcome to the analysis video. Hi everyone. After a very long time, I'm making this video. I am really very busy, and so I'm not getting time. I'll definitely try my best to take out time. In this video, we are going to discuss what is happening in the market, if you see here, that is like as we discussed here, that is 4 weeks ago, that is the temporary top was forming, and for after that, like market has been on a sell on rise basis, and it's steeply falling. How to trade in this market, and what the data points are suggesting, and let's discuss all these points. So now talking about how it's going in the members channel. For this week, if you see here, that is this is Tuesday FinNifty, and I clearly mentioned that 12:15. If you go and check the chart, some HFT bought 24,000 at 152 P, bought P, and like that price jumped to 200 and more than that, and then finally it went even like more than 300 as well. Yes, now also very day, I also mentioned on Twitter also, that is 24,500 in the money call writers were present, and when I updated, look at the time, go to the charts and look at the time, 12:54 Tuesday. Nifty was above 630, 630, okay, and then it fell almost by more than almost 200 points. Nifty fell during the last hour. Yes, so whenever you are getting once you know that these big guys are sitting here, so you can easily take positions with them, or whatever you think best according to your profile. You can simply you're seeing these big guys are taking in the money call writing. It's favorable not only for the writers, and also for the put buyers as well. Anyways, now I won't recommend you to take any trade based on my analysis. So yes, you can take it for learning or whatever purpose you're taking it, it's up to you. But yes, again, it perfectly worked out. Anyways, now talking about October, the Wednesday, Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, yeah, I clearly mentioned that 51 400 and above, like all the call writers are there, and I mentioned it at 10:19, so right in the morning. So premiums were a lot there, so a lot of premiums could have been eaten, and if all of those strike prices went to zero. And also I mentioned that 51 400 P put buyers were there, okay, and their average price was at 140, and this price went more than 300 finally, but after updating as well, it went to more than 200, and finally at the end of the day it went to more than 300 as well. So again, they doubled here, so everything worked out. You see that where the big guys are sitting, at what price they're buying puts, and at which strike price they have bought puts. So if you get to know this, after that, if you're not still not being able to trade, you should reconsider, okay. Trade means your learning purpose for trading, and then after you are learning, you can trade on your own. Anyways, now talking about here, that is also I'm not posting my trades, exact trade. So because recently, what I'm doing is I'm taking positions, and suppose I know that they have bought at at these prices, okay, 120, 135, 150, 165, okay. So what is happening is that as soon as the price, let's say it's at 180, okay, and it's then coming to 165, I'm just buying it. If I get some signal, I'm just buying it at 165, and suddenly if the spike comes to 170, I'm just selling it, okay. So I'm just scalping like this, knowing where the big guys are sitting, and because these days there is one major problem, that is sudden spikes are coming, okay. Yes, and for the writing part, yes, I'm writing, and then there also, sometimes I'm scalping and sometimes I'm sitting with my writing positions. But especially for the buying, what I'm doing is I'm just entering and exiting. So even I'm not getting the time to type here, that is my exact trade. So that's why I'm telling you what my ideas are, why am I buying, why at these prices, and yeah, so what is going behind my head, so that I'm telling you. Okay, so now the execution is like, if it is less than 1 minute, so then it's very difficult to exactly type it. So anyways, coming down to the main points, that is yes, but the writing ones are like exactly like I'm sometimes sitting and sometimes also like exiting with my profits. But yes, now the point being here is that, like, yes, the coming to the Nifty. So Nifty Thursday expiry, we had like that day, like Nifty did not give much move. So in the morning I said that the writing has happened by the prop decks and everything. So 11:16, and so the even if it falls, the fall might be very very slow. Okay, and also I mentioned the strike prices like 24,000 and above could go to zero, because I was also sitting there with my call writing positions, and then those went to zero finally. Okay, and even like we as well as many people were expecting a fall, but then like 1339 I mentioned that no further fall won't be possible, and finally Nifty ends there at 24,000. Okay, 24,400. October 25th. So what happened was that on Thursday the fall was like paused. Okay, for just pause for 1 day, and then the next day, if you see here, that is like I mean 9:39, as soon as like 24,400 broke. So like it's a sell signal in Nifty, and so in Sensex, and money flow was also negative. So I mean there was nothing you I mean, even like I mentioned most of the days that yes, writing has happened, sell on rise, but that was like a strict sell signal. Okay, so a sell signal came in Nifty. After that, whatever you want to do with this learning, it's up to you. So okay, now the thing is that I have mentioned all these levels also. So that's what I'm saying. How you can trade is basically, see, as soon as this 24,400 broke. Okay, so you know that the next level is at 24,128, and exactly see that Nifty came exactly down there, and then after that, like, it started consolidating near that level. When so the market closed on Alexa, Friday, stop. So yeah, now talking about the levels, that is, yes. So now see, look at here, that is 9:39 a.m. Okay, so 9:39 a.m. So if you see here, that is this one. Okay, so this is 9:30 to 9:35, and as soon as that confirmation came, and then so this candle, like this candle was a confirmation, and this candle, as soon as it came, I mentioned it. Okay, so now after that, why, like see, if I start typing down the trades and everything, so you might miss the fall, because the fall the fall started like rapidly, it started going down. Okay, especially I was in Sensex. Nifty still, like, if you see this, but if you see Sensex, so the fall was very very rapid. Okay, so if you look at here, that is 9:35 to 9:39, so it went down very fast, and then again it went down, and then then broke this level even here, and then finally again went down. So anyways, now talking about here, that is coming to Nifty back again. See, the levels are working perfectly. It went down from this level to this exact level, and this another level was given. So this narrow range is a support for now, and also some cash buying can be seen at the very end, because like you know that some mutual funds or some DIIs, so they have this target that Nifty shouldn't fall below 24,000 on or so on. So some huge cash buying has been done. So let's see whether they will be they are right or not. So Bank Nifty, if you see here, that is not much buying has been done, especially like how it has been done in Nifty. So yes, now so Nifty is a benchmark index for India, so that's why, like, I think Nifty has been given a special importance. So anyways, coming down to the further analysis. So if you see here, that is, even on Thursday we had our level 24,400. So these levels I'm not mentioning it to you right now. Okay, so these levels I posted several times. I showed it to you several times in my videos, and I told you to draw them on your charts as well. So they're working perfectly. See, 24,695. As soon as it broke, Nifty straight away came down to our next level, which is 24,400. Okay. Then talking about this narrow range, Nifty consolidated here, and then finally, like after breaking, it straight came down. So you should follow the levels as well, and it's perfectly working. Okay. Even look at here, that is 25,177. As soon as it broke, it came down to our next level, 24,845. As soon as that 845 broke, it came down to our next level, 24,695. As soon as that broke, 24,400. After that, it broke 24,061 or 24,128. So yeah, everything is perfectly working. Even for Bank Nifty, like it's like a very it gives several nice opportunities. Like look at here, for several days, yeah, so 700, so yeah, 53,700. So for several days, like it went to 53,700 and came down. Okay, so finally it went up, and then again, like coming below 53,700, and then again 234. So again it did some halt there, and straight back to our next level, 52,405. As soon as that broke, straight back to our next level, 51,715. So yeah, so the levels are being respected, and again here see, it went up and 52,405 and got resistance there, and again back to our level, 51,715. And this 51,715 it did for like several times. If you see here, that is, it went up, touched, went back to our level, 51,700, went up, again exactly it came, okay, went up, crossed it, but again when it came down, again went to a back our to our level, 51,073, and then again went up, and then it went to the next level for 405, and then again back to our next level, and again it went up, got resistance at 51,705, and then back to our next level. And when this level broke, so the next two level also came, and exactly again 50,391, I mentioned it, it's ending there, like it got support there. So these levels were mentioned earlier, okay, I haven't drawn them now. So way earlier, like many when Bank Nifty was there, just go and check the charts and check the videos. So I have mentioned it several times there. So now talking about our Fin Nifty also, like you see, you mentioned these levels, okay, I don't have to say further, they are working perfectly. So these are the levels. Going below, we have like 23,405, 23,210, and 23,300, 22,816, and so on and so forth, 22,551 and 22,102. So talking about tomorrow, we have mid cap Nifty expiry. So mid cap also, see, the levels have like perfectly worked out. So here 13,167, so got resistance there, came to our next level again. So again got resistance, exactly our level, okay, exactly one of the levels, came down to our level 12,863, and after that was taken down straight back to our next level, 12,000. So even like if you see here, that day, like very near to our next level. So and finally, like it went up, but finally again came down to our next level, 12,327. So yes, okay, so the levels are important, and again we'll discuss the option chain. So again, talking about our our money flow. So you see, in the morning it was highly negative, and so it worked out perfectly. Okay, so Bank Nifty was also negative on Friday. So everything worked out on Friday. So it was a very good opportunity for the bears on Friday. So yes, and also talking about here, that is FIs are like selling. And yeah, so our Gift Nifty is also down by 61 points. And yeah, so what we are expecting next, so let's see, according to the FIs and the Propdex data. So here talking about if you look at the futures data, so futures data on Thursday, the Propdex took a huge future short position. So that was one of the red signals on Friday. Okay, so now talking about here, that is yes, even yes, but anyways, talking about here, that is let's talk what happened, what the fresh positions have built up on Friday. So Friday again, if you see here, futures FIs are making some long positions, but Propdex are heavily shorting the futures. Okay, so they are unwinding their long positions both Thursday and Friday and making huge future short positions. And now talking about here, that is in option chain, FIIs have made some put buying and call writing. So and also like talking about prop decks, they have mostly done call writing and put writing, I would say, but not in very heavy quantity. The heavy quantity is on the call writing side. So call writing and yeah, and also like yes, so majorly like call writing. If we talk about our Friday's positions. Now talking about here, that is overall positions. If you see, that is FIAs are now having like a good amount of call writing and so call write prop decks and FIAs are both having call writing positions. Okay, so yeah, so talking about here, that is for the FI's overall positions, if you see here, that is like the put, they are put buyers and they are also like sorry, they are call buyers and they are put buyers as well. Okay, so put buyers and call buyers. So I think the call buying is for their hedging positions, though you see that they are making some short positions in the futures, but overall if you see that they have sorry, long positions in the futures, but overall if you see here, that is they are having short positions. Okay, majorly they are having short positions in the future. So some extra call buying can be for the hedging of the future short positions as well. Okay, and now talking about prop decks. Prop decks, they are straightforward call writers and they are put buyers. Okay, so that's the overall scenario, and market is still looking bearish. So let's go and discuss the option chain. So option chain, if you look at here, Nifty. So Nifty here, that is if you see here, that is the majorly like Friday call writing has been done at 24,500 and then 24,300, then 24,200 as well, and also some are like in the money as well. Like they did writing, but then the last pump that came, so that made them in the money. Otherwise, like they would have been at the money. So 24,000 also at the money writers are there. Okay, and also if 24,000 put writers are closing, as you can see here, and yeah, so 23,500 there's some put writing we can see. So we can say that like for this week we can expect a fall till 23,500. Okay, so I mean, according to the data points, what we are what we are watching now. So anyways, coming down to our mid cap Nifty. So these type of indices, you see that like you won't be able to say exactly what will happen from the option chain. Still we can see that call writing is there, and but majorly positions are built up on the expiry day especially. Okay, so talking about Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty, if you see, call writing has been done in huge amount at 51,500, 52,000 as well, and also like below we have 51,000 also call writers are there, and also some in the money are also there, but not in huge quantity. But yeah, in Bank Nifty you can say that 4 lakhs, almost 4 lakhs is also a good quantity. So 50,000 also some call writers are speculating. Okay, that is we will be Bank Nifty will be below 50,000 or very near to that as well. Like even if it goes till 50,300 also, they will be in profit, because you see they have shorted at more than 1,000 rupees premium. So anyways, so what majorly data points are suggesting is that we are going down. So now it might not happen that like it might happen that tomorrow slightly market goes positive and short covering starts, and people thinks, oh, we are bullish and all these things. Yes, temporarily some surprise may come, but ultimately things are looking bearish and ultimately things will fall. So anyways, there's high chances of falling. Okay, so anyways, it's a high probability setup, and yes, so now talking about here, that is 24,000. If it breaks, then you have like 23,850 as the next level, and as we were like as we saw that 23,500 from the option chain also, it's looking as a support, and also we have like support till 23,500. So these are the three supports till then, and so let's see how it goes for this week. So anyways, I have discussed everything, all the levels, option chain for Nifty again, as you see, like you won't be able to 24,100 is like I mean call writers, as you can see, but again put writers are unwinding. If you see, even far out of the money put writers are unwinding, but especially Nifty, mid cap Nifty, these are the indices where people take positions mainly on the expiry days. Okay, and yeah, so that's the overall analysis. And if my analysis are helping you all, and also I posted many analysis for free on X as well. So yeah, if you can see here, this one, so in the money call writers are present, I said, during the live market hours. And I did my best. So yeah, if my analysis are helping you all, so don't forget to put a like. And again, if you want such analysis during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to the money flow indicators and complimentary access to the Telegram channel. And yeah, so the Diwali offer is also there, so don't forget to take it. And so the offer is in the comment section below. So yes, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.